Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Hope you all are safe at home. Stay at home and stay safe. Students, I have finished 4 chapters. Today, I am going to start the new lesson, chapter 5th, that is solids, liquids, and gases. Okay. Now I am going to explain the gist of chapter. We use many things like paper, pen, wood, chair, box, water, oil and air in our daily life. Some things are solid, some are liquid and some are gases. So student, we use several things in our day-to-day life. So the things which we use are all matter. So I would like to explain what is matter. Matter is something that occupies some space and some mass. So student, matter is present in 3 forms, or there are 3 types of matter. First form is solid, second form is liquid and third form is gas. Ice is solid, water is liquid and steam is gas. Solid, liquid and gas are 3 forms in which things around us exist. So student, first of all, I would like you to start the first form of matter, that is solids. Okay. Now solids: table, chair, car, pencil, book and glass are some things that have a fixed shape and size. They do not flow. Things that have a fixed shape and size and do not flow are called solids. So student, solid is something which has fixed shape, size and volume. Or solid is something that never change its shape, size and volume on even applying force. Student, you can see in this diagram table, chair, car. बेटा ये किसके एग्जाम्पल है? सॉलिड्स के. Now student, I will do a practical to clear your doubts about solid. So students, you can see this is glass. What is this? This is glass. Okay. And I am applying force on it. आप देख रहे हो, हम इस पे क्या कर रहे हैं? फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, इसको पुश कर रहे हैं, फोर्स लगा रहे हैं इस पे. ओके. एंड यू कैन सी इट्स शेप, साइज एंड वॉल्यूम आर नॉट चेंजिंग. आप देख रहे हो बेटा, इस ग्लास पे हमने इस पर फोर्स लगाया. फोर्स लगाने के बाद भी इसका शेप, साइज, वॉल्यूम में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं हो रही है. ओके. नाउ क्लियर. सो द थिंग्स हुज शेप, साइज एंड वॉल्यूम do not change even on applying force is called solid. Student, what is this? This is box. तो this box has some weight. आप देख रहे हो इसमें कुछ weight है, ठीक. And it occupies some space. ये space जगह भी ले रहा है, ठीक. And solid do not flow like water. क्या ये water की तरह बह सकता है, flow कर सकता है? नहीं. Solid do not flow like water. तो बेटा इस पे हम फोर्स भी लगा रहे हैं. क्या इसका शेप, साइज चेंज हो रहा है? नहीं चेंज हो रहा है. ये लिक्विड यानी कि वाटर की तरह फ्लो भी नहीं कर सकता है. तो दिस इज सॉलिड. So student, Once again, I am repeating what is solid. What is solid? Things that have a fixed shape and size and do not flow are called solid. Example of solids: table, chair, car, pencil, book and glass. तो सॉलिड क्या है बेटा? जिसका शेप साइज चेंज नहीं होता, आप फोर्स भी लगाओगे तब भी चेंज नहीं होता है और वो वाटर लिक्विड की तरह फ्लो नहीं कर सकता. ओके, नाउ क्लियर? Now homework, read the topic carefully and have a nice day. Thank you.